Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Here we're looking at a beauty. Purple flames in. Oh, it is a 1950s. What kind is this? I think it's a. I want to say mercury. Let's see if there's a mark or something saying. Oh, there's a different kind of door. Yeah, mercury right there. It's a beauty too. Look at that. This girl. Oh. Pepsi Cola. Betty Boop. Where can you go wrong with that combination? Seriously, tell me. You can't. Look at that on the dashboard if you can. Somebody had a beautiful fun with a paint job on this. Oh, and all the ways to keep her up. Nice. Until next exciting episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for this and more.